Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So let's say you have a perfect group selfie but someone blinks, or they looked away, or you want to swap someone out entirely. You open FaceApp to fix it, but the app only seems to edit one person at a time. So FaceApp's AI designed to detect primary face in the frame. According to the official app features, it allows you to easily enlarge or minimize facial features and then apply filters, but it typically targets a single subject. So how do you fix the missing person issue? Well, right now we have to think of his app not as a group editor but as a composition tool. You need to treat it like, for example, a Frankenstein project. So just go ahead, take a good face from one photo and stitch it into the bad body in another. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix missing person in group photo and FaceApp fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, go ahead and crop to a single face first. FaceApp works best with one face at a time. You cannot fix person A without messing up person B if they are in the same frame. So the trick, crop the photo down to just the face of the person you want to fix. Apply the smile filter, the eye opening filter, or the skin smoothing filter, then save that face to your camera roll. Then you can easily use the eraser and mirror technique. Now just go ahead open the full group photo. According to the FaceApp lock, you can use the eraser to mask out specific areas. Use the eraser to roughly erase the bad face in the group photo. Just make it like kinda messy, so you can actually add the good face you saved later on. That's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.